Good afternoon, students. Today we'll discuss report writing. So, what is a report? Report is a factual description or account of events or investigation of an issue or problem. Depending upon its nature, report can be of single paragraph or a page. Report writing. It can be reporting for a newspaper, reporting for a magazine, reporting for an assembly, or factual report where we write description of people and description of places. Report actually is a brief account. The events has already taken place. First-hand information. The facts must be accurate and true, based on rational thinking, coherence, and justification. There are some tips of effective report writing. A report should be written in practical and business like manner, presenting the necessary information as clearly as possible. As we said here, facts must be accurate and true. An effective should be easy to follow and well structured with a proper beginning and running into several paragraphs, each dealing with one aspect of the subject. The heading should be clear and factual. The purpose of report should be mentioned in the beginning. Round off with the summary or situation conclusions in a writing as appropriate, which means we have to conclude the report. Here is the format of report writing. First is your title or heading in the center. Then the by name, which means the reporter's name on the right hand side corner of the heading. After that, we leave a line, we write place and date on the left hand side. Then we begin with the first sentence or the first paragraph. The first sentence of the paragraphs gives details like what, when, who, where, and so on, which means that what was the report for, when the event occurred, who was the main participant of the event, and where did it occur. Second paragraph is a brief detail of places, cause, effect, consequences, or guests. Third paragraph includes the main steps or accuracies or the people involved. The fourth paragraph is the concluding paragraph. So a report is ended with conclusion. So there are several types of report and we can follow some points. If it is an accidental report, so the things which we need to include in it is what happened, where it happened, when it happened, how did it occur, people and places involved, loss of life and property, like how much loss of life and property was there, detail of the rescue and relief operations, the scene of accident, which means describing the scene of accident, details of casualties, if someone is dead or injured, references for inquiry, and family or if there is a mass killing, a mass destruction. If it is event report, which means report of some event which has been taken place, it can be name and nature of the event, the occasion, date, time, and place, or we can say date, time, and venue, who were the guests, chief guests, and other guests, inauguration, details, and the chief guest's message to be quoted, details of event, prize distribution, if any, vote of thanks, which means who gave the vote of thanks and what were his words, comment on the quality and impact of the program. Here is a sample report. The report is where you have attended a workshop on personality development for students, many students, eminent personality, where many eminent personality has been present. So we are writing the report for the same. So our title is this. It has been written by, this is place and date, the first paragraph, the second paragraph, and the concluding paragraph. So students, this is how we need to write a report. I hope this lecture helps you writing a better report. Thank you so much.